Welcome back. Now, ActiveCampaign does have an affiliate program. So what we're going to do in order to access that program when you're on your dashboard is to come to this help screen. You're then going to type in the word affiliate. You'll then click enter. And what you'll see here is you'll have a couple of links. You're going to have the affiliate program. What you'll want to do is to scroll down. You'll then click on this link for the ActiveCampaign affiliate program page. And basically, the program is one that allows you to earn up to 30% recurring commission on any referrals that you send to ActiveCampaign. Now, the system is tiered. So you'll start by earning 20% commission. Once you start bringing in more, you can then earn 25%. And then once you're earning up to $500, you'll earn a top tier of 30% commission. And the program pays out on a monthly basis. Now, one of the reasons that you'll want to do this is that you can offset some of the costs that you'll have to get some of the additional features that you may want in ActiveCampaign. Now, the company also has a reseller program which allows you to sell the service of ActiveCampaign. It's slightly different from the affiliate program. And once you're comfortable using ActiveCampaign, you can also become an ActiveCampaign certified consultant. And obviously what this does is this allows you to help businesses integrate ActiveCampaign into their business, and as a result of ActiveCampaign, generate more profit. And each aspect of your selling ActiveCampaign is part of their overall partner program. So you can choose the one that fits your business best. You can apply to that program through the dashboard. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.